What is the intraday auto square off time in Jiffy? Squaring off is a part of intraday trading, which means closing all open positions by the end of the trading day. The intraday auto squared off time in Jiffy is 15 minutes before market closing. Why are the shares or position squared off? Choice reserves the right to auto square off your positions if your MTM losses exceed the limit of 80%. You will receive warning messages when the MTM losses for your positions exceed 50%, 60% and 70% respectively. If you still do not square off, Choice will auto square off your positions when your MTM loss reaches 80%. For example, let's say you have a ledger balance of Rs 50,000. Also, you pledged 10 lakh worth shares of Reliance for which you got Rs 7 lakh leverage. So, now you have total eligible margin of Rs 7 lakh 50,000 against which you can take multiple positions. So, in case your loss reaches 50%, that is Rs 3 lakh 75,000, 60%, that is Rs 4 lakh 50,000, or 70%, that is Rs 5 lakh 25,000 of your total position, which is 7 lakh 50,000 rupees. You will receive warning messages for each. If your loss exceeds 80% of total position, that is Rs 6 lakh, Choice will auto square off your position. Please note, the leverage provided by the pledging of shares, that is Rs 7 lakh in this example, will fluctuate according to the fluctuations in those pledged shares. So, in case the price of pledged shares goes down during the day, your leverage will decrease accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.